Some of the trends that I see that are affecting the banking industry are the more scrutiny of U.S. financial institutions on operations and transactions conducted by banks from Latin America and the Caribbean to identify potential money laundering and corruption. Many countries have improved regulations and they have strengthened the regulations applicable to that country. One of the main risks that we have identified derived from the correspondent banking relationship is what we know as undisclosed nested accounts, when a financial institution basically provides services to other third-party financial institutions without disclosing that to the U.S. correspondent bank. The bank should identify those issues through independent reviews or through internal audit. They need to retain consultants to look for transactions that might lead to funds coming from government officials, or they have to implement lookbacks. They have to hire consultants to look at the system, apply system validation, system calibration, and many other actions that they need to apply that are very costly to the banks. Those financial institutions that don't meet regulatory expectations are subject to enforcement actions and very costly fines, and obviously damage to reputation. Government Rosen helps financial institutions in the US and Latin America and the Caribbean with consulting services and risk advisory services. On one side, we have US correspondent banks that retain Kaufman Rosen to go to Latin America and the Caribbean to conduct the review of their compliance program. On the other side, we have clients in Latin America and the Caribbean that are looking for an international firm with experience to help them implement the compliance program based on US standards.